Oh, he's not landed yet. He's big. Today is a day of the big boys. Oh my God. This is gonna be a personal best. Well, I've been through the desert on a horse, no name. I felt good to get out of the rain. Man, I'm trying to catch anything. Let's just see what we can put on today. I'm gonna throw a mix of spinners and some jigs and really just try to put on some big old smallmouth. But dude, I will take anything. Either way, guys, if you're watching this video, hit that like button. It costs nothing. You don't even have to subscribe. Just that little like button. Hit that little like button. I appreciate that. This place is absolutely gorgeous. It usually has a ton of people at it, but I think today, you know, should be pretty good. Shouldn't be too many people there, and it's a good stopping ground. I've actually seen stripers caught up in here, and if I could put something along those lines on, I would be incredibly pumped. Let's see what we can get into. Let's have some fun. Let's catch some fish. Water's really good level right now. Actually a really great color. And I'm just gonna start off with a rooster tail right through here. If I can catch little bait fish, I will more than happily throw it on for some bait. And then we're gonna move our way upstream if there's nothing sitting within here. But I feel like, you know, it's fairly early morning. The water's a great color. You know, I think we can put something on. And really anything of any size will grab this size of a rooster tail. I've caught just about everything with this size. Get a good distance out there. Just cast it over a little floating twig. And I think there's a pretty good drop off right in front of me. Not getting a whole lot of anything there. Then there's this big feeder stream directly to my right where I'm fishing, and I think maybe something could be sitting right at this mouth here. You know, this is a big eddy current with a big drop off, a big pull. I don't know. But up there is where I'm trying to go. It's kind of a natural barrier. There's like a little bit of a waterfall kind of thing going on over there. I don't know if something just jumped over there or what that was. But I'm not trying to get too hung up on one single spot. I do want to keep moving it pretty well. So this area is by far one of my favorites. There's some natural barriers that will keep some people more close to the feeder stream. But what I want to do is I want to get closer to these riffles up here. This area, like I said, it just has a whole lot of everything. Deep, slow pockets, whole lot of boulders, and just habitat for smallmouth. Anything else just swimming up through here. A little bit of a difference in the bottom. Right now I'm fishing a slower moving pocket, kind of on the seam of some riffles. Really going with my go-to bait right now. Just really actively fishing until I get to a spot where I'm gonna throw or my Texas rig. Still getting a whole lot of nothing here, but it's kind of expected, I guess. Onward and upward. So I've stayed pretty active fishing with the spinners, but now I'm gonna throw out a Texas rig crayfish. Just kind of let that current take it. Let that thing sink down to the bottom. And hopefully the current will make something happen with this. Don't have too much wind today, which is good, because running a little jig like this in the wind is, oh, it's terrible. Can't feel anything grab on it. Just gonna pitch this thing right out in front of me into this deep hole. There we go, there's a fish on, baby. Let's tighten that drag. Oh my God. Y'all, holy cow. Oh my God. 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 Oh my God, that's a big catfish. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is gonna be a personal best. I gotta play him. I'm using 8-pound test right now. Oh my God. God, thank you. Oh my goodness. Am I filming? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I wasn't expecting this. Oh. This is a personal best catfish. Oh. Freaking slob. Dude, is that a flathead? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, I'm shaking. Come here, big guy. I don't have a net. Of course I don't have a net. Oh, he's not stopping fighting. Come here. Come here, kitty. Oh! 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 My God. Oh my gosh. Personal best catfish. Oh. Big old flathead. I've never caught a flathead. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Dude. Yeah. Oh baby, what a slob. What a slob. Oh. Oh. Oh man. Slob. Well, that's the way to start the day. Holy cow. Just gulped and ho! Yeah, baby. I just got that flathead. That thing was probably 10 pounds. 8-pound test. Texas rigged up crayfish. I'm gonna need a new crayfish. Texas rigged up crayfish. Oh, just gulped it, baby. I'm gonna throw the rooster tail a little bit more through here. Once I get done with this rooster tail, if this doesn't put anything on through here, then we'll switch over to a different spinner, a little bit of a bigger spinner. Something that's gonna cause a little bit more commotion through this water, because it is a little bit mucky looking. It's not the most clear water, but should still be able to see it well enough. All right, we'll do one more cast of this and then we'll change up the spinner. Oh my gosh, another catfish. It's catfish day, baby. It's catfish day. It's catfish day. This one's a little channel cat. It's got something on its forehead. Something's messed up on it. Oh, all right, buddy. It's catfish day. I was not expecting this, but I'm not disappointed. You may not have my rooster tail. Little channel cat. Little channel cat. The thing's about, I don't know, pretty decent size. Yo, I just got something on. I did not get the hook up. I think I got a striper. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. I got a striper, baby. Oh, he's not landed yet. He's big. Today is a day of the big boys. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh, today's the day for the big boys. Oh. Come on, big guy. Come on, big guy. Yes. Oh. This is what I've been trying to get for so long. Oh my gosh. He's not a big guy, but he makes us incredibly happy. I got a tape measure. Buddy, I can't let you away. I gotta see how big you are. It's about, from tip to tail, 24-inch striper. Oh my gosh. I gotta get a picture with him. Oh baby, there he is. We got a striper. Woo! We got him. I've been waiting for one of these. All right, man, let's get you released. Oh, see you, buddy. Man, I'm parched from all these slobs. 5 Out Energy. Not a sponsor, but could be. Ah, how's that? All right, I lost the fluke that got me the striper. So I tied on something else that looks a little minnowish, which is just a crankbait. It is a floating crankbait. Still small and bait fishy. Might still get the job done, maybe not. Oh, the wind just brought that right back. What in the world? What in the world? What in the world? Just grab this. What in the world? Just another flathead. Holy cow. Oh. Oh my gosh. Another flathead came up and grabbed my crankbait. I don't know if it's the same one. This is insanity. This is insanity. Come here, big guy. Come here, big guy. You're gonna be all right. We're gonna get it out of you and everything. If you jag me with that, we're gonna be in trouble. Well, since we have the tape measure out, let's get a length on him. I don't have a scale or anything. put him at about, if I can get this tape measure. All right, so there's 32 to the tail. That's 10, about 22 inches. I do a little bit of subtraction because I'm having a hard time doing this. It's a day for slobs. Big old slobs, baby. Woo! Get you back in the water. Woo! Y'all, I can't believe those catches. That was absolutely brilliant. I'm calling it a day right now. Good Lord has blessed me with some amazing catches and stories today. Could not be happier, could not be more blessed. Thank God and everything. Everybody out there, best of luck, keep tight lines, and remember, even Jesus had a fishing story.